to a complete stop, push up on your lap bar. Exit to the back right corner. No running. Don't forget all your belongings. Thank you for riding the iconic Kraken. When you enter, please place all loose articles in the designated baskets. Absolutely no cell phones are allowed on the ride. Grab an open seat and wait for the operator to secure your lap bar. Make space for other riders if needed. When you enter, please place all loose articles in the designated baskets. Absolutely no cell phones are allowed on the ride. Grab an open seat and wait for the operator to secure your lap bar.
We will ask the surveillance cameras operating